Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Blended Seasons bundle, another stamp set called In Every Season, and this is to sort of coordinate with the Blended Season online class that I have going for the month of August. Customers pay only for the Stampin' Up! Product, shipping and taxes, and free materials and 3 videos to accompany the product will be sent to their door. Now, I am starting off with a thin piece of Whisper White. This is the layering weight, and I am stamping in Mint Macaron, and I have stamped the thank you from the Blended Season stamp set. I used the stitched shape circle actually, and I drew a circle, and now I am stamping with soft sea foam, and I'm stamping around that circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, and I was even a little bit particular here, but I figured out that I didn't actually have to. All right, so now I'm erasing that pencil line, and then I will be folding my card base. This is soft sea foam. It's a beautiful, very soft, light green. I'm removing cat hair from my adhesive of choice, and sometimes my adhesive of choice gets a little bit funky and I have to adjust that runner. Anyway, and here are all the little flowers from the In Every Season stamp set. I've colored them with my blends alcohol markers that Stampin' Up! Does sell, and I've decided to use this lovely sunflower, and I'm plunking that right down in the middle with some dimensionals. And now I have a soft sea foam that I have die cut a bow out of, and that comes from the Stitched Season framelits. I'm sprinkling on a little glitter. It's a really good way to de-stickify a glue dot, to which I use to adhere that bow. And I do put these little filigrees on, but I didn't actually like them, so I will remove them and you won't see them again after this one little part. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that this Blended Season class is basically for the month of August while supplies last, so the supplies might not last, and I would hate for anybody to be upset and miss out on this awesome deal. You can adjust the class to your liking. If you would like to order some more product with me, that's totally fine. I will put the link in the description bar below, and I also wanted to let everybody know whoever shops with me this month gets their name into a draw, and I am personally treating one person to $100 stamping spree, a shopping spree in my online store. So hopefully you will place an order with me this month and be a part of that lovely giveaway. It's just a little appreciation for my lovely customers. So thank you so very much, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.